me if they don't actually get a good video today. Yeah, like you came with the Spider Pig video early, but then the motherfucking popcorn video was fucked up, and I didn't even know. So I ain't had to open up a whole Texas '94.
Bill, man. No, I don't know you.
Oh, he said 8 months. That's a
$20
good one.
bill
That's a good one.
on weed. Oh, there's some weird shit in there, man. There's dude sitting in the bushes, man. Does he have a gun? I don't know, man. I don't know. What? Red team go. Red team go. Just some weird shit, man. Man, you fucking crazy, yo. Oh, it's cool. Thanks, man. Hey, yo, wait. Dude, I'm gonna check out the stars later. It's really trippy. Especially on weed, man.
Uh-oh. So we go from the enhancement smoker to the most annoying types of smokers. See, I be putting my playlist together, boy. That boy do his homework because you got to do your own work. You did. Shout out to
This video is
2025
sponsored
playlist.
by
Eh.
everything420.com.
Hit up the
So I hit
playlist.
the
Do your
plug
homework.
and kindly request the ounce of Zaza Pachulia. 3 hours later, still empty-handed. Whole time he talking about he 15 minutes away. So now I'm itching my neck, starting to tweak out, while Shorty over there falling into a coma. He's here. Give it 3 days, and that pack going missing. These days, I'm what we would like to call, well, a fiend, addict. With a mommy to plug let her see me coming, that's good money every time. Facts. Reliable consumer. See, if I had to describe myself as anything, the type of smoker I am, I'm a custy. Purchasing every week, every day. I don't cop up 1 week, the plug get to asking me if I'm good. They getting worried and shit. But hold up. Let me ask you something. What type of smoker is you? You a lightweight? You a fiend? You got the flex? Let me know in the comments. But let's get into the vid. Types of smokers I hate. The freeloader. To everything I love, I despise you people. Freeloaders? That's one of the select few niggas that try and get right off your hard-earned splits and never put in no product, not contributed nothing, no za, no funds, can't even throw in five on a
Can't even bring cigars. Like, hey, man, you said you wanted to hang out. Just grab some cigars and come on up. No, man. I ain't got no money for no cigars. You ain't even probably got money for gas. You're probably walking over here or, trick somebody else into dropping you off. Yeah, you know how people be these days in 2025. You're like, hey, I need a ride. And then you getting dropped off so you can go to your other homeboy house and smoke some weed for free. And then you walk your ass home. Hell, it'd be the bullshit. Like, don't you got a car?
place. I
Yeah,
even
but I
invest
got
like,
dropped off over
damn,
here.
you could have at least bought
The
some
Fud
papers,
Elmer?
some bribes. But no, niggas is inconsiderate. Yo, what's good, my heart? Yo, we not even cool for real. Watch out, beloved. What's that you got? That's that gas? Nah, it is block work. You don't want this. Reggie? Let me see that real quick, boss. Bro, back up. Yes, spliff. Nah, mine's at the crib. Well, I got you next time, word.
He said it's at
Next
the
time.
crib.
Nigga, you could see this shit next time. Fuck out of here, lame man. Like, it's cool to be empty-handed every now and then, but if you ain't never got it on you, then you're never seeing this spliff. Simple. But you see, what be pissing me off the most is when the freeloaders have audacity. Come on, big bro, let me see that. Fine, nigga, here, you fiending. Good luck. You wrote this? Yeah, why it's valid? I mean, nah, like it could be better. Shit fake canoeing too. But ain't gonna lie,
He said
you
it's
should roll another
valid.
one,
What?
man. Roll another one. You ain't even supposed to see this one, brother, man. See, you killed it, okay? Let me see that. Damn, my fault, beastie. I ain't know niggas was stingy. Stingy? You come around searching for blunts like hub bops, clockwork. Every time I'm about to light a split, I see lags, bro. Niggas be acting like they ain't never gonna buy no more weed, bro. Like, damn. You ain't never got nothing to offer. You ain't even got coins. couldn't put in the garage papers a lighter? Look, boss man, ain't gonna lie. Most of the time, I pull up empty-handed, leeching off the rest of y'all backs. But for you, I got you. Just let me up.